letter F. This is the lowercase f. And the letter F makes the f sound, like in the word frog. Those are funny frogs.
Drag the letter F into the bowl.
F F F
Great! You put the letter F. Drag the letter B into the bowl.
B B B
Great! You put the letter B. Which one has the letter F? Tap it.
F
Good job! Which vehicle has the letter P? Tap it.
P
Good thinking! Which vehicle has the letter F? Tap it.
F
Good work! This is the letter B. Which truck has the letter B? Tap it.
B
Great! Trace the lowercase letter F. Great! You traced the letter F. Give the rat the cheese with the letter I. Great job! Put the hat with the letter R on the penguin. Awesome! Give the ball with the letter I to the seal. Cool beans! Put the egg with the letter A in the pan. Keep it up. Drag the letter I to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter I to the rabbit. Drag the letter M to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter M to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter I. Great! You traced the letter I.
Is how you write the number 2. Here's a number 2. Here's a number 2. Oh, number 2. Look around to see if you can find the number 2.
Where's the number 2? Tap it. Super! You got it! Now look for some more numbers. Tap all the number 2.
2. 2.
Great! You found the number 2. Tap the number 1.
1.
Super duper! You tapped the number 1. Write the number 1 and 2. This is the color brown. Tap it. Keep up the good work. These 3 things are all brown. Tap them. Nice! This is the color white. Nice work! These 3 things are all white. Tap them. Super! This is the color black. Super duper! These 3 things are all black. Sweet! This is the color pink. That's right! These 3 things are all pink. Yay! Which one is white? You found the color white. Which one is brown? You found the color brown. Give 3 brown things to Olo. You found 3 brown things. Give 3 pink things to Olo. You found 3 pink things. Give 3 black things to Olo. You found 3 black things. Give 3 white things to Olo. You found 3 white things. There's so many colors all around us.
Hi! This is a circle. A circle is one line that goes all the way around. There are no corners. An example of a circle is a ball. A circle! Good game!
Draw your own circle. Drag 3 circles to the rabbit.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Keep it up! You found the circles. Drag 3 squares to the rabbit.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Good job! Tap all the triangles. Good thinking! Where are all the circles? Tap them. Yay! You found the circles! Thanks for playing with me.